A lot of money so far.
Guys, it's Taylor here. Today we're going to color in a rainy cloud for our rainy day funds for our summer activities.
So, what activities you gonna be doing, Nevaeh?
Oh, we're just gonna go to Cedar Point, might go swimming, go to the beach.
Maybe a carnival. What you think, Taylor?
Maybe go to Kalahari again. What's some other ones? Maybe go on a cruise. Yeah.
Pause it.
I'm about to count the money now. So just 3 more clouds until we reach our rainy day fund savings. Do y'all think we will make it? How many more days is it? About 10 more days until summer start? We shall see.